Hello everyone, welcome to Accenture's Visa Consultancy live video seminar this afternoon. Our topic for today is how to join or how to have a student visa in Australia. Study, live and migrate to Australia. So why Australia? So we have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. Number one, listed in best country to live, healthier food, better job prospect, listed one of the highest salary. So all the best aspect to Australia. Of course, Australia is listed in one of the best country in the world. Number 3 country with the highest average salaries. Number 7 best country in the world. Number 9 best country to raise a family. Number 27 safest country in the world. So here, let's proceed navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia for 2024. We have data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, AI and machine learning. For data science, we have here some of the highest paid data science jobs in 2024. Machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing, NLP engineer. At ito po ang kanilang annual income at jobs. So ayan, sobrang laki ng kanilang annual income. Sa data science jobs pa lang po yan. So how much more sa iba? Like cybersecurity jobs in 2024. We have Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Penetration Tester, Security Engineer, Security Consultant, ang kanilang pong annual income. And we have also Cloud Computing, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, Development Engineer, Cloud Data Engineer, at ang kanilang annual income. For software engineering, we have software development manager, site reliability engineering, full stack developer, mobile software developer, blockchain developer. For AI and machine learning, we have chief AI officer, AI architect, AI product manager, AI ethics specialist, AI research scientist. So how to find and apply for a job? So, paano po tayo makakapaghanap ng trabaho? Sobrang dali, sobrang easy, and sobrang basic because we have www.seek.com.au that can help us to find any job opportunity na fit as a student visa holder. So, once you find the job, pwede po kayo mag-apply sa www.linkedin.com. LinkedIn.com can help us apply for a job. So, hindi na po kayo natin kailangan pumunta sa agency, office, HR, or company. Pwede na po tayo mag-apply mismo sa linkedin.com. So, school's location, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rate. So, in Australia, we have 4 major cities. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. As of now, we have affiliated school po sa Parramatta na no IELTS and no show money needed for July intake. This July intake. So, habol po tayo sa July intake. Dahil may benefits po na no show money and no IELTS needed. So what are the benefits of an Australian student visa? First, study at any university in Australia. Second, travel in and out of Australia as necessary. Third, work part-time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. Fourth, the visa permits students to work in Australia once they graduate. It's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. Last, as dependents under your student visa, your spouse and children ay pwede pong sumama sa inyo sa Australia. Example, if you have a live-in partner, long-term boyfriend, fiancé, husband, pwede nyo po sila isama under your student visa. And if may mga anak na po kayo, pwede po applicable po din po ang pagsama nila sa Australia under your student visa. We have 5 part-time jobs for international students in Australia. Example lang po ito. We have barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, and fruit picking. Here, it's just an example na fit po as a part-time job for international student in Australia. Unlimited work rights. Last year, June 13, again po ang unlimited work rights. We hope so this year, June, magbaba ulit ang Australian government ng unlimited work rights dahil sobrang laking tulong po nito sa student visa holder na magkaroon ng unlimited work rights. You must have sufficient funds. Kailangan lang po natin patunayan ang ating sarili sa immigration na we have enough and we have enough funds para pagsustentuhan ng ating sarili sa total period ng pagstay po natin sa Australia. What are the typical reason of rejection? First is ang ating health declaration. So if you have blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy, or other. So once you have this kind of sickness, pwede po kayong ma-auto-denied or auto-rejection. Kaya kailangan po natin fit or totally fit once mag-apply po tayo ng student visa. Let's proceed sa ating actual courses. So for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, ayan po yung mga related courses na pwede nyo pong kunin. Ayan po yung enrollment, tuition and material fees, onshore tsaka offshore. For management courses, we have Diploma of Leadership Management, Advanced Diploma of Leadership and Management, Information Technology courses, and automotive courses. For trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, ayan din po ang kanilang enrollment, tuition, material fees, onshore and offshore na tuition. Course start date, or yung tinatawag po nating intake. This year, meron na lang po kaming dalawang intake na available, which is July and October. For July, we have benefits na no show money and no IELTS needed. And habol po tayo sa mga scholarship na available sa ating affiliated school. Summary of fees, estimated only at 10% buffer. So, included po dito ay school tuition fee, school enrollment fee, school material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics. Ang overall po na magagastos po niyo dito is 253,550 pesos. And AUD, it's $7,245. So how to earn 1 million pesos in just 5 months? So if you work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400,000 AUD per week. So as a single applicant, first, second month, third month, fourth month, and to the fifth month, you earn 28,000 AUD. Sa peso, it's 1 million pesos. So as a couple, you earn 2 million pesos in just 5 months. If a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 AUD per week each. So together, they make 2,800 AUD per week. So ito po ang kanilang first, the second month, third month, fourth month, and for the fifth month, they earn 56,000 AUD. In peso, it's 2 million pesos. So, base pa din po ito sa $35 per hour and 40 hours a week. So, as a couple, long-term boyfriend, live-in partner, fiancé, husband, pwede po kayo mag-work and you earn, as a couple, 2 million pesos in just 5 months. So, here our 8-step application process. Step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel. These are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. Fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school, pay the tuition fee, and apply for a visa. Yan lang po, sobrang basic po na ating processing. In just 60 days, ma-approve na po kayo ng inyong student visa. So if you have any question, Just drop down your full name and number, and after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo ng aming team, or gusto nyo po mag-set up ng appointment for face-to-face consultation, pwede din po kayo drop down your full name and number, then after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo ng aming team to assess your inquiry. So everyone, thank you for joining our short live seminar this afternoon. Sa mga gusto pong pumunta sa Australia as a student visa holder, start your application as early, so para po mag-grant po ang inyong visa early before intake. Thank you everyone, and see you again tomorrow, same time.